I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an apple pie cocktail. So before I even start my cocktail, I want to rim my glass. And this is perfect for fall, perfect for seasonal. You know, just like those pumpkin beers, you're going to want to rim your glass. Same thing with this cocktail. On this plate, I just have a little bit of ground cinnamon and a little bit of sugar. Just mix it together. I rimmed my glass beforehand with a little bit of the Angry Orchard. We're going to use unfiltered today. Unfiltered just has a more full-bodied apple flavor. So that's what we're using. I just ran that around my rim, and then I put the glass face down into the cinnamon sugar mixture. I just used equal parts cinnamon and sugar. Feel free if you want more cinnamon, less sugar, to mix it, mix the ratio that you'd like. So I have a glass with some ice in it, and we're going to start with 2 ounces of bourbon. I use Cooper's Craft. That's what I have on hand today. But if you have any other, or if you have a favorite, go right ahead. So I have 2 ounces of bourbon in my jigger. I'm going to just pour that right on in. And now for the cider. Again, I'm using Angry Orchard, I'm using the unfiltered. Go ahead and use the crisp apple. I know that you can find that a lot of places, it's readily available. You might wanna use a little bit more bourbon to balance out the sweetness of the apple. For this cider, you're not going to want to put it into your jigger. It has some bubbles in it, so just like if you were mixing a drink with Prosecco or club soda, you're not going to want to put it in a jigger. You're going to want to eyeball it instead, and you also never want to put anything with bubbles in a shaker because it will literally explode on you. We're going to eyeball that. So we have a decent ratio. Again, you're gonna wanna stick to 2 ounces of the Angry Orchard of the hard cider, just so you have an even balance. And then we're going to finish it off with 3 dashes of the Agnostura bitters. It's a fun little riff on an old fashioned, perfect for the season. And then you're just going to stir it until it's cool. But here's a hot take on this drink. You can even put this in on the stovetop, and you can warm it up. So you kind of have a fun mulled cider. Finish it with a cinnamon stick. It's a great option. So here you go, an apple pie cocktail. You can drink it whenever you'd like, but it's a really great after dinner cocktail if you're not having anything too sweet, or if you're gonna pair it with delicious cheese platter, that works as well. So here we go. Cheers.